Welcome to Shomik Thoughts. Like and subscribe చేయండి.
Hello everyone, let's meet 20 reptiles and amphibians. First, crocodile. Crocodiles are powerful reptiles found in rivers and swamps. They are excellent hunters with strong jaws and sharp teeth. They can stay underwater for long periods before striking their prey. Next, alligator. Alligators look similar to crocodile but have bordered snouts. They live mainly in freshwater like lakes and marshes. These reptiles are strong swimmers. They can be very protective of their young. Next, Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard in the world. Found in Indonesia, it has a strong bite and poisonous salvia. It can hunt deer, pigs, and even water buffalo. Next, chameleon. Chameleons are famous for their ability to change colors. They have long, sticky tongues and catch insects. Their eyes can independently, giving them a wide view of their surroundings. Next, iguana. Iguanas are herbivorous lizards often seen in tropical regions. They have long tails and love basking in the sun. Iguanas are also popular as exotic pets. Next, python. Pythons are large, non-venomous snakes. They kill their prey by wrapping around it and squeezing tightly. Some species can grow over 20 feet long. Next, rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes are venomous snakes known for the rattle on their tail. They use the sound as a warning to predators. Their bite can be dangerous, but they usually avoid humans. Next, green sea turtle. The green sea turtle is a gentle reptile that lives in oceans. It feeds mainly on seagrass and algae. These turtles can travel thousands of miles across seas. Next, tortoise. Tortoises are land-dwelling reptiles with hard protective shells. They move slowly but can live for never 100 years. Most tortoises are herbivores. Next, basilisk lizard. The basilisk lizard is nicknamed Jesus lizard because it can run across water. It is fast, agile, and mostly found in Central America. This lizard feeds on insects, fruit, and small animals. Next, common frog. Frogs are small amphibians that live both in water and on land. They have long legs for jumping and smooth, moist skin. Frogs eat insects like flies and mosquitoes. Next, tree frog. Tree frogs are excellent climbers with sticky toe pads. They spend most of their lives in trees and usually bright green. Their croaking sound is common in forest. Next, bullfrog. Bullfrogs are large amphibians with powerful voices. They can leap long distances and live near ponds and lakes. Bullfrogs eat insects, small fish, and even other frogs. Next, glass frog. Glass frogs have transparent skin on their bellies, making their organs visible. They are small, green, and live in rainforests. These frogs are often active at night. Next, poison dart frog. These tiny frogs are brightly colored with toxic skin. Indigenous people once used their poison for hunting darts. Despite their size, They are among the most dangerous amphibians. Next, salamander. Salamanders look like lizard, but they are amphibians. They live in moist environments and can regenerate lost limbs. Most salamanders are nocturnal hunters. Next, axolotl. Axolotl is called the walking fish. Though it is an amphibian, it stays in water all its life and has freely external gills. Axolotls are popular in scientific research. Next, cane toad. Cane toads are large and produce toxins from their skin, originally from South America. They have spread to many countries. They can eat almost anything that fits in their mouth. Next, Goliath frog. The Goliath frog is the world's largest frog found in Africa. It can grow up to 13 inches long. Despite its size, it does not make a loud croak. And last, tiger salamander. Tiger salamanders are named for their yellow and black stripes. They live underground. Most of the time, these amphibians can live up to 15 years in the wild.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.